At Café One, we serve as a virtual hub for Sterling Bank. We also double as a co-working space and a cafe. Our core here at Café One is our community. We like to see people of like minds connect, collaborate, and grow. At Café One, we play host to Sterling digital products. We like to understand our customers' financial constraints and identify the best way to assist them. We have exciting products like Switch, Spectre, Double, Altmall, One Bank, and so on. We also offer the most conducive co-working space with exciting and affordable subscription plans. We have the daily, the weekly, the monthly, flexible monthly, and the yearly plans. The subscription comes with a work desk, great ambience, a library, and high-speed Wi-Fi. There is also a private meeting room and the whole space available to rent.
Yeah, I think it's a good place to work because I feel the aura, I feel the people, and I'm a firm believer in the fact that the place you work has a great impact on your level of productivity. So for me, I've been much more productive here. Also, the people around make it a vibe. Like the aura, it's kind of creeps, like you can feel it. Yeah, I am able to have that feel of work and fun at the same time.
Feel free to check us out online or visit the cafe at 3rd floor East Center, Sabo Yaba, where we have the best coffee and other exciting drinks and pastries. Looking forward to seeing you.